Hello guys. It's a drop us video kind of Sunday and I'm back with another one on you. And I just wanted to come on here right quick and just discuss a warning from cops, or a warning from one of my uplines in regards to cops, as well as reassurance provided by the customer service team. And here we see there was a Twitter account that's been created and it's been providing updates, but apparently they're saying it's some kind of a scammer trying to gain trust and information from users. So just be very careful of that. Here it says the Twitter account is not an official COTPS Twitter account. As a matter of fact, COTPS doesn't operate out of any social media platforms, so don't be fooled. Go directly to live chat in your dashboard and confirm any info you hear on social media. Scammers are always on the prowl with situation like these. When situation like these arises and take advantage of vulnerable and desperate people, don't get scammed, team. So basically this Twitter account has been trying to build trust and kind of communicating information about what's been going on for the past couple days. I think 2 to 3 days now, in regards to withdrawals. And if you didn't watch my previous video, I think I didn't mention it there, but for those that didn't watch it, so basically there's an issue with the SMS operator, the SMS service that is used to send us text verifications when we're making withdrawals. It's delayed. It's extremely delayed. And just to be clear, guys, we've been having issues with this before, but it would always work on a second try of sending that message. But now sometimes it would work. You would receive a code, but it will be after the timer has timed out. So at that point, the code is no longer valid. Sometimes you wouldn't say receive a code. So they've reached out to us a couple times, or they've informed us through different parties that it's being worked on. And I think the last update I got, I don't know if I mentioned that in any of my videos, but the last update that I got was that it was being worked on. They have a new provider that they're working with, so they just have to work on getting that contract signed. Let me see. It says, good morning everyone. As I don't think I covered this yet. As we all know, the SMS verification code service provider of the company started behaving with the sending of the code, which will always come after the timer has expired. The company has been managing the service provider Q Cloud, but due to a technical failure this time around, they have decided to switch to a different, more efficient and faster SMS verification service provider known as Tencent. So let's give them enough time to sign the contract and do the migration, since it involves a safety transfer of all our contacts and information to a new service provider. It should be noted that this is not the first time they're facing this, and it was fixed smoothly. So they have asked us all as traders to be patient and keep trading while they smooth in things. Also remember that this same delay on receiving SMS occurs with Binance too and other exchanges when you want to transfer, so it's not tied down to a particular platform. We know that SMS verification is the most important security for our funds, so it's directly linked to our phone number. Thus it cuts across registration, transfer, withdrawals, change of password, change of transaction password, change of withdrawal address. Go ahead and do your daily trading and make the maximum that you can out of the system. So yes, it is a security measure, guys, because this is how they can confirm that it's indeed you that is the one that's requesting the withdrawal or the transfer, whatever. And I think I just learned today that over a certain amount, it seems that maybe 1,000, maybe 500 or more, I'm not sure, but I know I did $1,000 withdrawal a few weeks ago, and it did require a picture. And you know what, I did one for 500 before that as a test, and it did require a picture. So that's an extra security measure to make sure that it is you. So I like that measure, especially when you're withdrawing large amounts. So that, because remember, in your registration they do take a picture of your selfie, so then the system compares it to that to make sure that it is indeed you that is the one withdrawing your funds. So that's cool. That shows legitimacy, a level of legitimacy in the platform as well. But yes, that's the message that came across yesterday. So I don't think I shared that in any of my past videos. So there it is. They're working on signing up with a new company called Tencent. So let's be patient with that, guys. I'm hoping that it wouldn't be take no longer than the end of this coming week. I was kind of bummed because I was planning to withdraw some money out this weekend, but I guess there's a blessing in disguise, so then I can compound on that money that I was planning to withdraw. So fingers crossed that everything will work out in a smooth and fast manner. And then now the second half of this video to speak about the assurance that's been provided by the support team. And we read here, there are widespread rumors that you are closing shop. Is this true? That was a question that was asked by this investor here, Luxury FX, Max B. Shout out to him. It says the response was, we specialize in creating efficient cryptocurrency trading platforms and have partnerships with over 3,000 OTC traders worldwide. It is currently the world's largest over-the-counter trading platform. There is no risk in investing in COTPS. COTPS will continue forever, and you can invest with confidence. Okay. All right. I mean, those are all good words. We're all hoping the same thing. Then it says COTPS is a formal platform that holds a license. The platform is actively addressing this issue and will return to normal soon. Please be patient. And these messages run when that was yesterday the 14th. So we've been getting updates here and there. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. So I guess I would just say be patient, guys. Based on everything that I've read, everything that I've seen, videos that I've watched, just be patient. A lot of people, and one guy, I think his name is Alan Conson. I can't remember his last name, but his first name is Alan. He was kind of like hitting the nail on the head when he was saying that, a lot of time where there's data missing, people tend to create rumors and data. And not to saying that they're not true, but they cannot be proven. So people make a lot of speculation and conspiracies, as to why certain things are happening. So just be patient, guys. Let us ride the storm out. One thing I do like to point out is that we did have a crash in the cryptocurrency industry a couple days ago, so it makes sense. And the fact that this withdrawal issue is not just happening with COTPS, even with other kind of reputable somewhat companies like SwapNext, we're seeing issues over there with withdrawals, which is not SMS related, but because they don't use SMS verification. So but what they do is, just a quick side note, is before you can withdraw, you have to set up 2FA security. So that's the step that protects your account right there. So if someone was to steal your account, they could not access it because it requires the 2FA, the two-step verification, Google Authenticator. So that's the only how that you're able to withdraw. So that's how they secure your account. So SMS is not needed on their end. But basically, yes, as I was saying, SwapNext and COTPS are two of the known kind of reputable and platforms that I'm involved in that are having withdrawal issues, even though it's on two different spectrums. This is happening. And COTPS was having an issue with the length of time, because we all know COTPS withdrawals can happen and deposit happen like in a split second, sometimes less than a minute, like 30 seconds. So, and they were having issues because of the crash that happened, and exchanges were holding up funds and so forth and so forth. So this is a storm. We just have to weather the storm, and we're hoping and praying that everything will work out, hopefully by the end of this week. So just keep doing what you're doing, guys. Keep doing your trades. Whether you're manually trading on your script, make sure your script is running. Make sure you're going in and doing your manual trades if you're doing it manually. and let's hope for the best. All right, so you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed rest of the day. Bye now.